This is the Codey Rocky in its box, and we're going to do a bit of unboxing now. On the back, of course, it describes a bit about what's inside. There's basically only two parts, Rocky part and the Codey part. And we'll get the box open. See if I could slide this off here. Oh, here we go. Now, of course, at the very top, we have a quick start guide. And one of the first things it'll tell you is to plug it in and make sure that the Codey is charged. And at the top little plastic bit we have, these are little color cards. They're used for for sensing. It could actually, Codey Rocky can sense colors. And that's one of the things we could use, and we could use those colors cards. Let's get out the Codey itself. So this part is called the Codey. Now Codey has a protective screen on the front. Let's remove that first. Put that aside. And what we have now is the front has a LED display. There's a speaker. There's three buttons, A, B, and C. These, of course, you could program. The power button, that's make sure you turn it on, make sure the power comes on. On the other side, we have the volume control because the speaker can have different sounds. And that's just the connection when you plug Codey, this part, into the base, which is the Rocky part. And there's USB connectors, there's a number of sensors, there's a gyroscope, there's an infrared receiver or one transmitter. And on the base is actually the Rocky part, is what it's called. So there's Codey and Rocky. And lastly, there is the USB cable itself. So let's just open that up. Now the first thing you want to do when you get your Codey Rocky is make sure you charge up Codey so he's fully charged before we get started. Now you'll notice at the very top, as I pointed out, is the USB port. It plugs in, but you got to make sure it plugs in only one way. So you have to make sure that it's aligned properly. One way's up, one way's down. We'll plug it in. And of course, there you go. We're ready to charge up your Codey Rocky.